Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about a Unix tool called BAT. It's an open source tool, open source alternative to CAT, but it's really advanced, really useful, so I suggest everybody install it. So installing it is pretty easy. You can just use brew, install BAT. So I have already installed it, I don't need to install it one more time. So what I have here is my Fastdisk OpenAPI code, which is a Python code. So if you cat it, the Fastdisk script, notice this doesn't have an file extension. It prints out the data on the file. I added user bin and Python 3 to run it. So what we can do is use BAT, and its syntax highlighted. It works with the file extensions too, and #bang, and it's multi-line supported, so you don't need to scroll. And although it's not supported on default installations of Linux, like in Docker containers, but you can always install it with most of the package managers. I believe it's not available on Fedora repositories or Debian repositories, but I know it's available on Ubuntu, OpenSUSE, and Mac Brew. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like